Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I got Stella Chroma Expelliarmus and Biutee collection number 10. I've started off with a base coat of Nailtiques, and here is Stella Chroma Expelliarmus. Gorgeous, gorgeous, got all kind of flakies up in there. And as you can see on this nail, I have a poly gel tip because that break that I had finally gave out, and it was just at the very edge. I mean, I have no free edge. So we're just going to go on and play like this. This is a gorgeous polish, very easy to use, excellent formula. I'm going to top it with some Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down so we can do some playing. Look at all those shimmers in there. I mean, it's got green and purple and gold and just pink and oh my gosh. Everything. It's like fireworks on your nails. Speaking of fireworks, I hope everyone's having a really good Memorial Day. I didn't get a chance to do a Memorial Day nail art, so I apologize. And here is a swatch photo of that all on its own. I'll be using the Burt's Bees Lemon Butter Cuticle Balm around my fingertips. And here is the Biutee Collection number 10 plate that I'll be using today. Gotta get this blue film off of it and wipe it down with some acetone, and then a quick wipe with the paper towel. Now we're ready. I'll be using my AliExpress stamper and my Biutee scraper and clean color polishes, and this one is metallic aqua and metallic fuchsia, as well as metallic green. These are excellent for stamping. I'm going to use the smushy type stamping today, just putting drops of the polishes all over the image. No rhyme or reason with this kind of thing. You just, drop in some dots. And then I'm going to try to scrape just once on all of these. We'll see how it goes. So this manicure doesn't look like a whole lot until I do the top coat, and then it kind of makes it pop. I do really like it. It's kind of a strange color. Oh, and look at me reusing what was left on the scraper card. Talk about recycling. This will look really good with the top coat, though. You'll get to see it at the end. I've got a swatch photo. There I go. I'm going to use it again. But this one didn't get very much, so I'm going to put this image on my pinky nail. Cleaning off that stamper as we go onto my lint roller. And that plate's getting cleaned with pure acetone. Dot, dot, dot. Need a little bit more green. Being stingy with the green today. And I've said before, these aren't stamping polishes, but they work so well for this. Just amazed when I can find nice polishes that will stamp even though they're not stamping polishes. It's kind of looking a little bit like an oil slick. I'm going to add a little bit of color to this one down here, this pinky nail. By recycling that swatching stuff, it didn't get as much color, so I just kind of sneak in some more colors on that one. And I've decided to use a different image for my ring finger. Not that it's going to make a really big deal or anything. It's not going to be real noticeable, but I just, with it being a new plate, I thought I would try a couple of different images. But these are so similar that you can't really tell much. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get up this excess off of my fingers. The excess polish. And by using that Burt's Bees, it's coming up really easy. I'm going to straight up top this one with Poshe. I know that these polishes aren't going to smear, so I wasn't worried about using a no smudge free one. And here we go. My little rainbow nails. Here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.